Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is search for Google My Business or Google Business Profile. And if you have access to the account that you want to make edits to, you should see exactly what I'm seeing here, where it shows your businesses on Google, only visible to managers, and you can see it shows me here that I could view my profile. So automatically, if you're signed into Google and you go to Google My Business or Google Business Profile, you should be able to see this. And once you do that, all you want to do is click View Profile so that you could see where you need to make your changes. As you can see here, this is Edit Profile. All you need to do is click Edit Profile here, and then you will see a pop-up show up, which is right here. Now, if you look at this pop-up, it has, of course, your business information here. It has your about information, it has your contact information, your location, your hours, and a couple more things. Now, let's talk about the location and area. So this is huge. This is what really matters when it comes to SEO, your address and you updating your location. And once you make that change, as you can see, it updates it. So you have the opportunity to show business address to customers or not. If customers visit your business, add an address and adjust the pin on the map to its location. So you can simply do that to let people know that they can visit your office or visit your place of work or business to conduct business with you. So next one is the service area. We have the Chicago metro area in here, but you can pick different areas that you can add. So I'll just add all the cities that we are around here: West Dundee, Gilbert's, Huntley, East Dundee. So you can see all that. And still in addition with the Chicago metro area. So you have the opportunity to add a couple service areas, and that's pretty cool. Now, again, you see your edit is pending. It usually takes up to 10 minutes to be reviewed.